So, hi. So this is a review of the Done For You program, which is owned by Ariella and Wesley Virgin. I love that program so much because I am not a tech savvy person, and this whole Done For You program, it it shows you how to advertise online. You make money online without even leaving your room. You get to make money online. They teach you step by step how to make money on Facebook, how to make money on YouTube, and they make your first sale for you, just to let you know that you, at the end of the day, it is working. So they're not scamming you or anything. It is not a scam. They are actually basically holding your hand like long time when you were a baby. They holding your hand and walking you through everything you need to do. They have developers fixing everything for you and working around the clock to make sure that you are successful. You have to try. Check it out. Check this Done For You program. Online marketing. You don't even have to leave your house. Check it out. Check the link below. Click the link below.